Hello everyone. I'm Sai Shreyas Rai, a senior executive at ESL IIT Guwahati and manager of live events at Udgam 21. So I hope I'm audible to you all. So let's mm, you people have been messaging us, commenting on our post कि भैया ये ESL IIT गुवाहाटी होता क्या है भैया, what is scavenger hunt, दीदी PMX क्या होता है भैया, how to join the Udgam team. You have been messaging us, so we thought why not hold a webinar for you where we can clear all your doubts. So this is that webinar. uh, don't worry, we are here to help. uh, we are feeling like Shah Rukh Khan from the film Swades, where he is explaining astronomy to these village children. So before starting with what is product management or um, product management or product management expedition, let me introduce you to the two speakers we have today. First of all, we have ECEL, Secretary of ECEL IT Guwahati. Then we have Arpita Mohapatra, Manager of Public Relations at Udgam 21. Then we have Varinyam Bakshi, Manager of PMX at Udgam 21, and Pallak Kothari, also the Manager of PMX at Udgam 2021. So let's start with what is ECEL IT Guwahati. Uh, ECEL IT Guwahati, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's entrepreneur cell of IIT Guwahati. So our main aim is to inculcate the spirit of entrepreneurship among the students of the campus and also Northeast India. We are one of the biggest e-cells in the Northeast and also the fastest growing e-cell in India. We host different kinds of workshops, lectures, brainstorming sessions, competition hackathons all around the year. Few among them, like you must have seen some of those posts currently, like that of scavenger hunt. Soon we will release the registration form for scavenger hunt. Also, let me tell you what is Udgam. Udgam is basically the annual entrepreneurship summit of IIT Guwahati. It is the biggest entrepreneurship summit in the Northeast, and also and we also conduct some sessions where you can learn how to grow your social media page, growth hack, and sessions to teach you about product management. So before we start on product management, I would like to say, like, I like to start with a joke. So let's see what is product management. Here is a formal definition. Blah blah blah. It's written something you will not like it. It's pretty boring, right? So okay, what about this? Product management is basically a collaboration of these three different fields: UX, the tech, and the business. For more, I would like my friend Arpita to speak more about this. Arpita, Arpita.
Welcome everyone. Arpita this side. If you're if it's audible, please say a yes or something on the chat box. Yeah, cool. So before we start with product management, the first thing that bothers the company and definitely the product managers is what is a product? Okay, so what is a product? Like anyone who can give the answer or something on the chat box. Anything that comes up to your mind. Okay, so I'll answer it. A product is basically a physical or virtual system which is tailored to cater to the needs of the customer. World of products, as they say, always has been quite interesting and highly recommended to explore further. From a personal experience, if you are someone who's really interested in problem solving and would love to innovate stuff, keeping in mind all the pain points of the features, then this is the thing for you. Sai, change the slide. Facebook yeah, task. Uh, okay, so probably all of us use Facebook today. Considering it as the product, I would ask you people to list down as many existing features you can in the chat box. Some of you may also come up with certain pain points, and others can suggest ways to develop it, like for better maybe. Everything has to be done in the chat box. Like any features, be it the messenger thing from Facebook or the what's in your mind option, yeah, the reaction, anything which comes to your mind, just list it down. Okay, stories, and someone writes forums. Okay, and exposure. Okay, yeah, we get to make our own pages. Easy connectivity, the emojis. Yeah, cool. Okay. And anything like which is painful or say frustrating feature of Facebook, anything. Okay. Okay, quite a lot of responses. Great. And anyone if wants to point out something and suggest a feature as well to like cyberbullying and yeah. Okay. Okay. Similarly, like many of you suggested a lot of features which are already present on Facebook. What a product manager does is like goes through, I mean, a PM at Facebook. What what is his work? His work is to go through the existing features and or create some new features. And next will be to make sure like to ask people on what is like not going well, what doesn't add up properly, and then correct those features or say renovate them so that they are for something better. Okay, that is what a product manager does. Next I'll tell more about it. Okay, so um, suppose just the way we discussed, similarly, like all the features have been created and are being used today, regularly updated based on the experiences. Suppose you are the target users. Like I asked you people to list down the features because you use them every day. So that is our target. I mean user thing. And next will be like see. So that is what a product manager does. The task of bringing the ideas to life. Okay. Next, I'll explain you more about product management, but before that, like look into the slide. See what a product manager is. He's like Bob the Builder. Like he can easily say like I'm here to build the products, and like you can just have fun. I keep a product in front of me. Pick the best thing to build. I'll go through actually many of such words, I mean, many of buzzwords which you will be hearing for the first time. Like when I gave a first glance to product management, the dictionary consisted of a lot of buzzwords. So to discuss something such into completely simple ways, the best way was like suppose I say product management is I keep a product in front of me, pick the best thing to build. This thing, pick the best thing to build, is actually creating features. Next is we choose the people who are mostly into it. Suppose you show the feature like next I'll come to it. Choose the people who are mostly into it shows that we are deciding upon the target market. Suppose Zomato. So who are the people who usually use it? I went through some of the stats and I found like it is usually consisting of people of the age groups up to 35 max. Okay. Similarly, for each company, for each product, we have a particular target market. Next, we share the product among our friends. Okay. So, and once we have got it shared among our friends, that is the way we make user personas. Okay, so user personas are something we take a description of the people, like what do they do and everything similar to that. And we go through the profile and prepare a persona where we will have various points like the good qualities they find in a product, and also something which is like which was frustrating to them. Next, start research on the difficulties they face. That is our user research. This term, like I'll be coming to this term more often, like during the year, so you can see to it. Find the problems which need to be addressed first. When we start analyzing a product, we see like there are a lot many problems in it, but we need to start from somewhere. So we need to start from a problem which is more important. So while you're making a product management, like while you're preparing a solution, that time you need to prioritize on which solution affects the market like the most, which helps the people the most in general. So that is the way we prioritize on them. Next will be proposing user centric solutions. Again, a buzzword. Okay. So next, after all of this is done, we need some like creativity. We'll be using some trial and error methods, some UI workflows and such. And once the solutions are implemented, we are almost done. That is it. Now in proper words, I'll explain what is product management, and the slide will be there. No, sorry, change to that slide. Sorry. Okay, so this slide will be there. Whenever I come across a word such as like features or target market or anything, you can see the line before it and you'll understand it somewhat. Okay, so what exactly is product management? The work generally involves making business decisions through customer insights, gaining alignment between cross functional stakeholders, and building really cool products. Meanwhile, we'll be taking care of the target market, as I mentioned it earlier, and also the user personas. Like, suppose we are giving it to our friends, and then we are able to find out the problems and such. User personas, and this is utterly important in improving the product, taking feedback from people. Okay, so developing, marketing, and selling a product. These are the three things which basically sums up product management. As we dive further, you will come across various techniques involved. Like, say, change it to the road mapping slide. Yeah. So these are the various techniques used by the PM while making a while proposing a solution or such. Road mapping. So what is road mapping? It's mostly like this planning helps in keeping the product goals aligned with that of the expectations of the companies. Okay. Like we cannot go on a loss like while suggesting some feature. We need to take care of both of them while working somewhere. Next, prioritizing on features. I already talked about it. That is, if you come up with two solutions or more, uh, the thing that time I said it was about the pain point, but this is about the solution thing. Suppose you have come up with two to one or more solutions. Sorry. Then we'll mostly do some analysis thing and then compare and finally decide upon one. Next will be carrying market assessments. I guess it's like assignments written, but that is assessments. And then will make some user personas, like I said, carry out research and market research, and then modify the product according to the target user, etc., etc. Okay, so there are many such things, but these things will be will come to you when you explore further. Okay, next. Anyone, if like having any question, like we'll be having a Q&A session later, but if any question with all of whatever I said, may write it in the question section. We'll try to clear as many doubts possible, and then we can continue again. Anyone? uh, Okay. Right now we don't have any questions as such. Maybe you people can ask.
Wait, one question came from someone. What is the relation between a
Yeah,
product manager?
that is on the thought. Okay. So in a startup, usually what happens is the CEO is also the product manager. So he manages projects and almost and such. But what a product manager actually does is different when compared in various other companies. Like his work is what I explained over here, but in startups, like there is a little more of stuff which has to be done by the product manager. I guess Aditya Bhaiya will explain better if he wants.
Hey guys,
There is
my
a
name is
question by
Aditya.
Amit.
So मैं like पहला क्वेश्चन आंसर कर देता हूँ. So product manager is a job title कि I could be a product manager at a startup, at a company, ऐसा कुछ भी organization है. And startup is एक organization है. So Swiggy, Zomato and all these are actual जिनके so startups का product होता है. So Google का जैसे Pixel है, Google सर्च इंजन है, all these are products. उसका कोई प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर होगा. सो लाइक इफ यू आर आस्किंग प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट है या प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर है, सो माइट बी लाइक सेंस बनेगा. बट प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इज अ जॉब टाइटल एंड स्टार्टअप इज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो लाइक completely different. Hope that answers your question.
Next question is by Amish. He asks whether there any real life example.
Yeah, I would like to take the question. Suppose there's a company. I mean, suppose this is a Zomato problem. Okay. We all of us almost use Zomato and or say like there's another company called Dynout. So basically, I worked on a recent competition in this. I would like to say about the problem statement. These days, we hardly go for restaurants and stuff. So we do. I mean, that Dineout app is used for like they help in like table booking for people, and also they give us discounts once we reach the places, and then like we use the app to pay bills. Okay. So they wanted to increase user interaction. That is, they wanted more number of users in the restaurants or using their app, because now that we have opened after the lockdown, they wanted some more users, and this was the problem actually. So what they wanted us to do was that we find out solutions, just say like they can regain at least to the earlier metrics, मतलब at least like उतने यूजर्स तो आए जितने पहले आते थे लाइक इसलिए वी हैड टू प्रेजेंट सॉल्यूशंस टू देम हाउ टू do that. So basically what can be the solution to it? One solution I mean we provided was that first thing, that is the app. So to use to increase usability of the app, we developed a feature called iron. Okay. So in that there was it is a gamification method in which like many of you must have seen Google's GPay Go India thing. Okay. So in that, games were there, and that is why like people used it more. Like every day I used to see my friends putting on status and everything ki, like if someone is having tickets of this and that. So that is the way in which they increased the user interaction with the app. Similarly, I suggested the app Iron, in which a person has to enter the game in that app, in which he has to do a physical task each day. Like he has to run for these many kilometers or cycling for these many, and once it is tracked completely, he can get some rewards for it. Like in GPay, we have, we have vouchers and scratch cards and whatever it is. Similarly, this was a solution provided by us. Next, we also decided upon a customer dashboard, as it was already lacking in the app, because nowadays, like, many people aren't going outside much. That is why it is like really good to have the consumer service, the customer services as good as possible. That is why we decided upon a dashboard thing, in which the customer like lists down his problems, and those problems have to be solved by a person from the company, and the date, the number of days in which the problem was solved. Everything has to be maintained in the dashboard for both the customer and the company to see. So this guarantees something to the customer, that my problems will be resolved properly. And we also went through and such things, like there can be many solutions to it. We will discuss further in the product thing.
There's a question asked by who was it? Krunal, I think. Yeah, Krunal Prajapati. So he's asking, is even the development part carried by product manager? And also there was a question by Kashish. So let me answer this first, and it will also cover what Arpita was talking about a bit. So product, you have a product, be it Swiggy, Zomato, whatever. There is some product. Now what basically, so we talked about what is product management. Now let us talk about what is not product management. So the development part that you are talking about, I think it is referring to building the product. So that would be in case of a hardware, actually engineering and building stuff, and in terms of a software product, that would be writing code. So product management does not include this. And I'll tell you. So let us consider any product. There is basically three things. Why do we need it? How will we implement it? How should we make it? Or the how aspect, and then this will answer both these two as to what is the product. So उसमें Zomato है, it's a food delivery app. इस पे रेस्टोरेंट लिस्ट हो सकते हैं, एंड द अदर साइड की यूजर्स ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. सो ये तीन पार्ट हो गए. नाउ टिपिकली इंजीनियर है कोई, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर या डेवलपर है, उसका काम है टू बिल्ड द प्रोडक्ट. सो ही आंसर्स द हाउ एंड द व्हाट पार्ट. उसका कुछ वाई से कुछ रिलेटेड नहीं होता, एंड दैट इज वेयर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट steps in. They define what is needed, what users want, and so उसके लिए whatever Arpita suggested, that there is a whole process की user research हो गया, prioritization of solutions. तो उससे we define the what, and then in a typical कोई भी startup और company, there are engineering teams. So उसमें ऐसा होगा कि maybe 8 to 10 engineers हैं who will write the code. There would be a designer, so he would take care of the how it looks and the aesthetics and usability part, and there would be typically one product manager who will decide the why and the what of the problem. So yeah, hope that answers your question. And also one एक और question है कशिश का, कि is product manager the person whose role is to bring more number of users who use the product? So I think मतलब yes and no both basically. So like कैसे more number of users ला रहे हैं? So either you're approaching let us say मैं अपने products ला रहा हूँ, users ला रहा हूँ एडवर्टाइजिंग से या कोल्ड कॉलिंग से, थ्रू मतलब एक्चुअली सेलिंग एंड सेल्स वाले उससे. सो अगर इफ आई एम सेलिंग और ये, तो मैं मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स टीम में हो गया, दैट इज नॉट प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट. अगर इफ आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स थ्रू एडिंग अ फीचर और ऐसा कुछ, सो मे बी ऐसा कंसिडर लेट अस से स्विगी, एंड उसमें आई एड अ फीचर दैट लेट अस से कि आई थिंक जोमेटो या में पहले इंक्लूड हुआ था कि यू कुड बेट कि वेदर द डिलीवरी बॉय वुड रीच योर हाउस इन टाइम, ऐसा इन 15 minutes और ऐसा कुछ. तो बेसिकली इट वाज अ बेट कि अगर मैं आई विल बेट 50 रुपीज इफ ही डजंट कम इन द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम, देन मेरा ऑर्डर फ्री हो जाएगा. सो ये मैंने ऐसा प्रोडक्ट ऐसे ही सजेस्ट करा, ये इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, एंड इससे भी सर्टेन कुछ चेंज आएगा यूजर्स में. सो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का भी नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स बढ़ सकता है, बट दैट इज लाइक इनडायरेक्टली. सो ऐसा इफ यू लास्ट, सो डज योर ऐसा स्टेटमेंट मेक ऐसा लाइक सेंस फॉर ऑल, तो नहीं, लाइक उसको और अच्छे से डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. सो या, एंड एक और है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. सो ठीक है, ये भी लाइक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. एंड सो बेसिकली project management is subset of product management, and project management is basically maintaining the timelines of a product life cycle की लेटेस्ट से मैं कुछ फीचर ऐड कर रहा हूँ या प्रोडक्ट बना रहा हूँ, तो उसको मुझे 6 months में आई नीड टू बी एबल टू शिप इट टू यूजर्स. सो उसके लिए आई मेक अ टाइमलाइन की फर्स्ट द इंजीनियरिंग टीम विल डू दिस, देन द डिजाइन टीम विल डू दिस, ऐसा इंटरनल प्रोसेस होगा, देन कुछ ऐसा टेस्टिंग होगा, ये सब. सो दैट पार्ट इज प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. सो yeah, so मतलब project management is a subset of product management.
Yeah.
I think it's
So
a question.
we will take your questions. We have noted your question. We'll take your question at the end of the session. We would like to move forward with what we have. We'll surely answer your other questions.
Yeah, so we'll be answering other questions later. So coming to stats, product management as a career is quite challenging and like rising field today. For an instance, like 15% of MIT's business school grads take it up today. Apart from that, be it Suzanne, the CEO of YouTube, or Sundar Pichai Google, someday started their careers as a product manager. Enough inspiration, I believe. Um, okay. Then, Sai, the next one. Yeah, thanks. In most of the cases, what a company really wants or say needs is their PMs making some serious business impact and not just making sure that the product sprints or the reviews go well. Most important of all being, they need someone to manage the product well. It's kind of nuts how many necessary hoops we jump through to do product management. Um, yeah. So, to end with, how do we do good product management? By knowing consumer problems right, deciding upon how to solve max of them, be right more often than not really a very easy task, but simple. Now, we'll like to introduce to you PMX, our product. Varaniam.
Hello, am I audible?
When am I handing
Sai, I
over
will share
your
the
screen share?
okay. I will share the screen. Is it visible? Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so hello everyone. I've heard so many questions like what's product management, what do product managers do, bring users, case study and all. So let me introduce the PMX. This is the first step for all your beginners. You can really know what really does a product manager do. So what is PMX? Simply speaking, PMX is just a product case study competition where you solve real world problems and bring and for customers and for real companies. अब भी समझ नहीं आया, चलो अब चलते हैं. So I think everyone heard about OYO. कईयों को जाने का मन भी होगा. So like what you as a product manager can do. Like we all know in this era of COVID-19, like you are the most affected batch of COVID-19 due to COVID-19. Like we all know people are reluctant to book rooms and go out. So this is obviously leading to huge losses to a startup like Oyo, like losses in terms of billions of rupees. So what can you do? What can engineers do? Engineers can build an app Data scientists can bring in data and analyze it. Law person can go to the court and ask for regulations and all. But what PM does is it brings vision to a startup or company. Like, here's a problem in front of you in the screen. Like, what PM does is he creates the roadmap, as Arta said, creates the roadmaps and collects data, collects data, talks to the users, works with the engineering team. He basically makes क्या कहते हैं, he makes basically a collaboration between all the teams which are spread in the company. Like, if there's no PM, like engineering अपना काम करेगी, data science will do their own work, and it will be like all messed up. So here's one more example. Like, here's another problem statement. Like, this what you will do in the PMX. You can read it. Like, if you have decided to make a, I will read for you. You have decided to make a LinkedIn for school students. This is based on your informal research done by talking to many school students who said they want to have meaningful conversations with other students on number of things. Like, you must be using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, मतलब कोई करता हो तो TikTok and Snapchat. Like, they have a different content. Like, you share your pictures, where you go to places and all stuff. But for LinkedIn is like a place where people have chats, do networking on quality content. Quality content means, like, if you do a project, you share it on LinkedIn. If you are a job seeker, you share it on LinkedIn. I will at the end show you what is LinkedIn is if you are unable to. So here is a problem statement. You are given problem statement. In PMX, you will be given problem statement, and you with your team will have to work upon a solution. What type of solution? You will have to make a case study on various aspects. For that, we will also be releasing some pre-quizzes and then come up with a solution in a pitch deck. Okay, so this is what you have to do in PMX. So again, I'm speaking. PMX is a product case study competition, and it is the best platform for you to kickstart your journey in the world of products. Like, you must अब तक तो प्रोडक्ट समझ में आ गया होगा. Like everyone has said, what Aditya bhaiya said about product management. So also it requires no prerequisites, and it's same, it's bigger. Now I will show you what LinkedIn is. Like, if someone wants to go, like, this is a link. This is LinkedIn. Screen visible है? Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So like, this is LinkedIn. You can share your content, quality content on here. Like, see this thing. Like, these things are not, we will not be able to see in Facebook and Instagram. You can create your profile and connect with the job seekers and job recruiters also. Recruiters don't see your Facebook profile. They see your Instagram and not even Instagram, LinkedIn profile, and you can follow pages. So this is what we have to do in PMX. Like, this is a problem statement. Okay, so hope you have understood it. So now we'll tell you about the timeline of the PMX.
Hello, I'm Palak. Now you have got to know about product management, and what is PMX all about. Now let me tell you how it will happen and the timeline. So the main PMX comprises of 2 rounds, but to make you familiar with the product case study, there are also pre-quizzes, that is the round 0. The pre-quizzes will be released from our social media handles, and yes, winners declare honge, and you may get vouchers and other exciting prizes. Then we talk about problem statement. What really is a problem statement? So let us take a startup, Khatabook. Khatabook is a growing startup. Many of our parents would be shopkeepers, and उन्हें खाता maintain करना रहता है, and it is a very hectic task. So Khatabook is an online platform where it helps in in maintaining the khata. So Khatabook, which is an official partner of PMX, has made this easy. After the use of Khatabook, the returns are increased by 3x, 3 times faster हो गए हैं returns. But सारी companies में problems होती हैं, and problem statements you will get will be from the Khatabook in the main competition. The problems they face, because none of the startup is perfect. Now coming to round 1, In round 1, you will get a problem statement from Khata book, which you have to prepare a PPT or PDF. Again, you will not have to worry. Everything like the template in what you have to submit, and the problem statement will be explained very clearly to you. Then in round 2, you will be given another problem statement, but this time you not only have to prepare the presentation, but also present it before the senior product managers of Khata book. They will be judging you in the event, okay, during Udgam. Now, how do you have to present it? Aditya Bhaiya is going to tell.
Thanks, Palak. I'll share my screen. If you can. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So this is the product case study, a sample product case study. So whatever Arpita told कि कैसे product management में क्या क्या होता है, what's the process involved. This is a demonstration of that as a small सा. So I think you all must be familiar with Bewkoof. So it is basically a lifestyle fashion brand as a online e-commerce store, and it's actually it actually started in a hostel of IIT Bombay, and actually there's a more interesting story about the name. So the जो इसके co-founders थे वो ऐसे ही कोई भी रैंडम डोमेन नेम परचेज कर लेते थे जो उनको अच्छा लगता था, एंड फिर उसको किसी ऐसे प्रीमियम हाइक प्राइस पे बेचते थे, ऐसे ऐसे मतलब फॉर फन एंड अ वे टू मेक कुछ मनी. और दैट इज हाउ द बेवकूफ नेम केम इनटू पिक्चर. सो जब स्टार्टअप फाउंड हुआ था उससे आई थिंक लाइक 1 or 2 years पहले से ये डोमेन नेम खरीदा था. एंड सो या, और it is basically makes apparels and accessories for Indian users, and abhi it has a very wide reach. So there is just इधर just ऐसा थोड़ा उसका brief description है about what Bewkoof does, and coming to our problem statement. So we have to work towards building a USP for Bewkoof. So USP मैं बता देता हूँ क्या है. That is that stands for unique selling proposition. So what makes Bewkoof unique from other alternatives or जो भी incumbents हो गए. So for let's say Google is a search engine, has a search engine. So उसका USP क्या है? That it is the fastest and best for both searching and advertisers को अगर मुझे ads run करनी है, then also it offers me the greatest reach. So वो उसका USP हुआ. और ऐसे USP कुछ कुछ हो सकता है कि might be some special feature. So ऐसे मैं if I consider let's say क्या Zomato Swiggy ऐसे food delivery apps, so Zomato में check in and it basically list down भी करता है वो, not just limited to delivery. So that is a USP compared to Swiggy. So that is our problem statement. And इसको ही और break down करें तो why do we want to make our product different, USP क्यों बनाना है. So उसका goal है to achieve user retention and user engagement. So user retention is basically that जो भी users आ रहे हैं on my platform, so वैसे Facebook पे में भी आज के दिन certain कोई भी 3 million users आए let's say, तो retention क्या होगा कि उसके next day थे 2.5 million. So 2.5 million by 3 million ये हुआ उसका retention की इतने % are we able to retain on the next day. And user engagement is basically the user is engaging with your app. So वो app चला रहा है, so इसको मतलब measure कैसे कर सकते हैं अपन through some let us say कि like मैंने कितने टी-शर्ट्स या जो भी कितना एक्सेसरीज देखी ऑन Bewkoof, और what's the average time I spent on the app per day ऐसा. So per day I'm spending 15 minutes or whatever. So that is user engagement. So अब like this is our goal. So like Arpita mentioned earlier, how should we start? So we want to make some addition to Wavekoof, a feature. We want to add a feature. So first of all, we need to define whom are we making it for. What is the target audience? So these are called user personas. So they basically divide your target audience into say 2 3 or whatever more number of user segments. So the idea is कि not all users are of the same type. कि let us say कि WhatsApp है, so WhatsApp में your the way you use WhatsApp will be very different from how your parents use it. So ऐसा मतलब behavior में काफी change होगा कि you may be using more media content या frequency ज़्यादा हुई या whatever. Basically user behavior is different. So उसी को कंसिडर करने के लिए वी मेड यूजर पर्सोनास की लेट अस से मैं व्हाट्सएप में कुछ फीचर ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, तो वो किसके किसके लिए टारगेटेड है. इज इट फॉर द यंगस्टर और इज इट फॉर पेरेंट्स? सो दैट इज हाउ वी डिफाइन 3 पर्सोनास फॉर बेवकूफ. सो एंड दीज आर फिक्शनल, ऐसा कोई लाइक नॉट रियल कैरेक्टर्स. सो गौरव है, ही इज अ जूनियर मैनेजर एंड दिस इज हाउ ही लिव्स, ऐसे लाइक सम पर्सनालिटी एंड साइकोग्राफिक्स. और फिर है कि दिस इज द पेन पॉइंट कि गौरव इज कंफ्यूज दैट वेदर ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्ड अपैरल combo looks good or not. So he's not able to decide ki whether this shirt would suit this jeans or whatever. And similarly ये नेहा है, ये इसका background है थोड़ा, and she is anxious whether the apparel ordered would fit her or not. Okay. And this is Manas. He is interested in Marvel and DC merchandise. So ये 3 personas अपन ने बना लिए. Now we are choosing 1 and 2 as we think ये exist करते हैं more number पे, तो अपन इनके लिए पेन पॉइंट्स निकालेंगे. So coming to the user journey. So user journey is basically if I am using an app or in this case ordering something, user journey is the complete steps of whatever steps I take from opening the app to जब तक मैंने उसको ऑर्डर करा तो चेकआउट तक. सो बेवकूफ की यूजर जर्नी ये हो गई कि आई ओपन द ऐप, then either I could search for a particular thing that I know I want, or I can select from browse the home page and then choose something, and then I would browse from the available colors. If I know what I'm searching for, then I would make choice based on colors. ऐसा एक ये assumption है. Then after that I will choose a size, and then finally I would may add the address and make the payment, and the order would be placed. So this is how a user journey would look like for the product Bewakoof. And so इसी में यही ऐसा लाइक फिक्शनल स्टोरी है कि गौरव का दिस इज यूज केस है उसका कि उसको पार्टी में जाना था एंड ऐसा है, सो आई एम ओपनिंग द बेवकूफ ऐप. एंड ऐसे सिमिलरली यहाँ का, सो इट इज ऐसे ही जस्ट टू मेक इट अ स्टोरी. और कमिंग टू पेन पॉइंट्स. सो पेन पॉइंट्स आर बेसिकली क्या whatever problems I face or someone faces with the product. So Neha के केस में था that she cannot determine whether a certain outfit would fit her or not. So that is her pain point. For Gaurav, it is not being able to determine whether a particular combination would suit him or her or not. And so these are the 2 pain points. And अब इसके लिए ही we're suggesting some solutions. So to solve the first problem, this is the feature I suggested कि to determine body type ऐसे अपन 3 options दे देते हैं कि so मतलब it might be the case कि if I am मान लो कुछ भी ऐसा 42 44 whatever size है मेरा, but I am too skinny, so a certain outfit won't look good on me. or the opposite case. So टू सॉल्व दैट मैंने ऐसा बॉडी फ्रेम का फीचर ऐड कर दिया. तो इससे लोग ऐसे डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं वेदर दे शुड बाय इट और नॉट, मतलब किस उससे लेना चाहिए. एंड या सो इसमें ऐसा नेहा का रिस्पॉन्स है, इफ द फीचर इज एडेड एंड दिस इज द वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन टू वेवस्कूप. तो दे मतलब ये अपना assumption है दैट इफ आई ऐड दिस फीचर engagement would increase, acquisition would increase, and acquisition basically is the new users that are being added on Wavescoop. So मतलब इस फीचर को ऐड करने के बाद कोई नए यूजर्स भी आएंगे प्लेटफॉर्म पे. एंड रिटेंशन रेट लाइक आई सेड अर्लियर वो भी इंक्रीज होगा. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट सजेशन. एंड दिस इज द अदर सजेशन फॉर द persona ऑफ गौरव. सो इधर बेसिकली अपन क्या सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वी विल ट्रेन एंड मेक एन AI मॉडल दैट वुड डिस्प्ले हाउ वुड टू आउटफिट्स लुक टुगेदर. सो ये मतलब, तो आई हैड दिस येलो टी शर्ट एंड दिस ब्लू डेनिम, सो उसका ऐसा कॉम्बो ऐसा दिखेगा, ये AI से अपन शो कर रहे हैं. एंड इसमें भी सिमिलर वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन है कि एंगेजमेंट बढ़ेगा, एक्विजिशन बढ़ेगा, रिटेंशन रेट बढ़ेगा, एंड लॉयल्टी भी सिंपल एज द नेम सजेस्ट दैट the user is loyal, so he's coming back to the platform, and revenue would increase. So these are the two suggested solutions. अब the thing is कि how do we determine कि किसको पहले implement करना चाहिए, या you must be thinking कि why not implement both, and ideally you should, but ऐसे ही कोई भी इंजीनियरिंग टीम है, so I already उनके पास काफी कुछ टाइम होता है, and even though ऐसा like this feature looks easy to implement, ऐसा you might think कि ज़्यादा कुछ क्या करना है मुझे, ऑलरेडी पूरा ऐप वगैरह बना है, मुझे बस एक ऑप्शन और ऐड करना है, सो हाउ मच टाइम वुड इट टेक. बट लाइक उसमें और भी इंटरनल प्रोसेसेस इन्वॉल्व होती हैं, सो इट मतलब यूजुअली ऐसा इवन अ वेरी स्मॉल फीचर को ऐसा 10 से 12 वीक्स मिनिमम लगते हैं टू फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टू इट्स एंड. सो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वी नीड टू डिसाइड कि कौन सा इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए वी डू दिस solution analysis, and तो basically let us say if we want to compare any two things, तो क्या करते हैं अपन, ऐसे pros and cons measure करते हैं कि this all is good for this and this all is not, and मतलब that works for many things, but like वो भी मतलब ऐसा best वो नहीं है. So what if I for two things ऐसा ही हो कि मेरे लिए पास हैं 5 pros आ रहे हैं, 3 cons आ रहे हैं, दूसरे के लिए भी 5 pros आ रहे हैं, मे बी 5 cons आ रहे हैं, बट ऐसा फिर भी कुछ एग्जैक्ट अपन सजेस्ट नहीं कर सकते कि मुझे फर्स्ट वाला करना चाहिए क्योंकि इसमें cons कम है. तो उसके लिए अपन ने वी फर्स्ट डिसाइड कि व्हाट आर द मेट्रिक्स टू ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर, कि क्या मैटर करता है मुझे. तो इसी में ऐसा 2 डिवीजन हो गए कि एक व्हाट ऑल इफेक्ट्स द यूजर, तो जो भी यूजर परचेज कर रहा है उसके लिए क्या है, तो ऐप की यूटिलिटी की यूज केस मेरा बढ़ गया, एंड यूजर एक्सपीरियंस की और जो मेरा पहले एक्सपीरियंस था उससे बेटर हो रहा है या नहीं, एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज सो ये अपन आ गए फिर कंपनी के चीजों में. दिस इज द यूजर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, दिस इज द कंपनी की इफ आई एड बॉडी टाइप हाउ इजी इज इट टू इम्प्लीमेंट, एंड सिमिलरली रेवेन्यू प्रोस्पेक्ट, तो रेवेन्यू किस में ज़्यादा होगा, एंड द फिफ्थ इज ऐप रिव्यूज की विच वन वुड हैव मोर इफेक्ट ऑन इट्स रेटिंग जो भी है उसकी फॉर प्ले स्टोर या ऐप स्टोर पे. तो ये अपन ने ऐसा 5 क्राइटेरियाज रख दिए. अब वे नॉट टेकिंग ऐसा एब्सोल्यूट नंबर्स की यूटिलिटी इंक्रीज हुई ऐसा सम मेट्रिक की 3.5 से, तो वे जस्ट ऐसा क्वालिटेटिवली एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं कि कौन सा बेटर है दोनों में. तो बॉडी टाइप्स एंड क्रिएट योर ओन लुक में द बोथ सीम इक्वल, एंड यूजर एक्सपीरियंस में भी सिमिलर ही है कि उसमें एक में जो नेहा वाला पर्सोना था उसको हेल्प होगा, दूसरे में गौरव वाला पर्सोना था उसको हेल्प होगा. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज कि मतलब दोनों ही आर समवॉट डिफिकल्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट, एंड सो दिस इज लाइक इसमें ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट इट वाज सिंपली थोड़ा engineering और वो making aspect है, तो we cannot really like exactly determine कि क्या होना चाहिए, but ऐसे ही estimate करा है कि दोनों को ही मुश्किल होगी. And revenue prospect में here we find that the body type thing is less effective than making my own look. So the Gaurav का जो था कि if I'm able to display the particular combination, उससे better help होगी. So इसलिए मतलब ये इस वाले में this revenue prospect में create your look wins. And like इसमें भी like if you would dig deeper, तो और ये हो सकता है कि रेवेन्यू क्यों बढ़ रहा है. सो मे बी मैं इस फीचर को व्हाट इफ मैं इसको पेड बना रहा हूँ, लाइक जस्ट अ थॉट कि ऐसा मैं एक फीचर ऐड कर सकता हूँ, तो कि इफ यू वांट टू चेक कि कॉम्बो कैसा लग रहा है, यू वुड हैव टू पे सर्टेन मोर अमाउंट, और दैट इट कुड बी सिंपली अ प्रीमियम फीचर कि इफ प्रीमियम मैंने कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रखा है, सो लाइक सिमिलर टू Amazon Prime या व्हाटएवर, तो ही आई विल बी एबल टू सी दैट. तो मतलब ऐसे ही जस्ट अ थॉट. और सो ऐसा ही अकॉर्डिंग टू इट अपना बोथ आर सिमिलर ऑन मोस्ट लेवल्स, बट ये वाला डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर हो गया रेवेन्यू प्रोस्पेक्ट. सो इसके हिसाब से अपना है कि वी शुड प्रायोरिटाइज द AI one to create your look over the body type feature. So ये अपन ने अब डिसाइड कर लिया. नाउ कम्स द मेट्रिक्स पार्ट की ठीक है, आई सजेस्टेड कि दिस शुड बी मेड, बट हाउ वुड यू मेजर की. सो आई मेड द चेंज, बट क्या उससे इफेक्ट आया जो एक्सपेक्टेड था. सो उसके लिए अपन डिफाइन करते हैं सक्सेस मेट्रिक्स. सो इसमें लाइक दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड ऐसा मतलब नॉट रियली रिक्वायर्ड अभी, बट मैं जो ऑलरेडी ऊपर मेट्रिक्स थे उनको ऐसा एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. सो हेयर वी हैव अ मेट्रिक DAU. सो DAU इज डेली एक्टिव यूजर्स. सो कोई भी ऐप पे डेली कितने लोग उसको यूज कर रहे हैं. एंड MAU स्टैंड्स फॉर मंथली एक्टिव यूजर्स. सो मंथ में कितने लोग उस पे ऐप पे आ रहे हैं. सो ये जो रेशियो है डाउ बाय माउ, इसको अपन कर रहे हैं कंसिडर फॉर इंक्रीजिंग एंगेजमेंट. सो इट इज माई हाइपोथेसिस कि अगर मैं ये फीचर ऐड करता हूँ, सो दिस मेट्रिक शुड इंक्रीज. एंड ऐसे सिमिलरली इफ आई ऐड दिस फीचर, देन उसको भी जो भी नेहा टाइप की प्रॉब्लम फेस करता होगा कि डिटरमाइन नहीं कर पाता कि whether I should buy it or not due to size, so they would also start ordering on the app. So number of orders भी बढ़ जाने चाहिए, ऐसा मतलब है hypothesis. And similarly like यही these are the two metrics. And retention rate, like I said earlier, तो कितने लोग are coming back to the platform. So on a certain day I have 100 people, on 7 days after that I have ऐसा 84 या maybe 50 people. So 50% ऐसा retention rate हो गया. तो like these are the three like basic metrics you should be aware of right now. And इसमें like I will share the slide, so maybe you can research a bit, or will inform you about this later. ऐसा PMX team will guide you regarding the whole competition. So we'll be sharing you learning resources later. And so like अब we have also determined ki how would we measure it. Last part is just ki how could it fail, and like this is an additional step, but like startups and not startups but ऐसे companies में they always have to think like really long term. So अभी मैं I'm making a decision that would affect my like company's trajectory ऐसा 1 year या उसके बाद भी. So इसलिए like we also consider कि how could it fail, कि क्या दिक्कत आ सकती है कि मे बी उससे फेल हो जाए. तो how can I prevent it beforehand. So जैसे इसमें these are the 2 or 3 reasons कि accuracy is an issue. तो वही मतलब किसी भी AI algorithm का it is not 100% accurate. So what if कि वही मैंने कोई से 2 प्रोडक्ट्स चूज करे बट उसमें लाइक कॉम्बो में कुछ डिस्प्ले अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा, और मतलब वही कि इट इज नॉट डिपिक्टिंग द रियल कि रियल में ऐसा दिखना चाहिए था बट उसमें कुछ और दिखा रहा है. सो ये हो गया. एंड द अदर इज एपीआई. सो ये तो मतलब ऐसा टेक्निकल उससे एस्पेक्ट रिलेटेड हो गया, तो इस पे मत ध्यान दो अभी. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक मेट्रिक्स रॉन्गली इम्पैक्टेड, सो यू कैन गूगल दीज इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, बट अभी ऐसा लाइक डोंट टेक मच स्ट्रेस अबाउट इट. एंड so yeah, मतलब basically that was the whole case study, and I'll walk you through it again just to uh, like once again make sure कि flow ऐसा क्या हो रहा है. So ऐसा ये जो भी था इसको कुछ ऐसा याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ऐसा ऐसा ये पहले मुझे ये करना है फिर ये करना है एंड like ऐसे ही होता है. Like that is not true. You could be doing it in your own way or whatever. Like तुम्हें लगता होगा कि मे बी यहाँ इस टाइप पे मुझे मे बी और रिसर्च करनी चाहिए थी, मे बी और डेटा कर लाना चाहिए था कि एक्चुअली लाइक क्या है, मे बी लाइक सर्वेस फ्लोट करना चाहिए था ऐसा. तो इसका बेसिकली लाइक फ्लो एक बार है लाइक ऐसा लाइक इंट्यूटिव, इट इज नॉट एनी ऐसा रैंडम सा. तो वी फर्स्ट डिफाइंड व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज like exactly upon what are we solving for. So in our case it was to building a USP. So उसके बाद whom are we solving for, तो users कौन है, target audience कौन है. Then we looked at the journey की current, what is the current situation. So उसमें अपन को पता चला यार कि कुछ pain points हैं. So then we deep down on them कि क्या क्या pain points हैं. Then like उन pain points में से I proposed solutions ki these are the things we could do to solve them. And then we solutions को ऐसा prioritize करा कि out of whatever 4 or 5 things that we have, this is what we should do. And last step is like metrics ऐसा to measure basically कि whatever you suggested, how will you measure it. So yeah, so that's it. And लाइक इफ अगर भी ऐसा कुछ समझ में या थोड़ा यू कैन डाउट हो तो यू कैन आस्क. एंड ऐसा कुछ अभी से इसको सीरियस लेने का वो नहीं है. लाइक यू गाइस हैव जस्ट एंटर्ड द इंस्टीट्यूट एंड मुझे भी लाइक मे बी ऐसा सेकेंड ईयर के अराउंड ही आई केम टू नो कि ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड ऐसा लाइक आई हर्ड द टर्म, बट ऐसा एक्चुअल में इफ आई लुक बैक तो मुझे लगता है कि तभी मुझे ऐसा समझ आया कि ऐसा ऐसा होता है एंड वी मेक डेक और ऐसा ऐसा. सो या मतलब ऐसा कुछ लोड लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड सो दैट्स बेसिकली इट फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Yeah, so before I speak something, Palak would like to say something.
One more thing, if the solution you provide for their problem and if they like it, you will be able, your solution could be implemented. Also, one other motivation which should not really be a motivation is the prize money. The prize money is huge, that is 60,000. Also, you guys were asking about individual participation. So individual participation will not be entertained, but you can participate with other college members also. Other college students can also participate. Thanks.
Yeah. So we are hugely presented. We have a great reach on social media. You can follow us on social media for great content on entrepreneurship, fun content also. And I hope you make your accounts on LinkedIn and Twitter. Twitter is a great place where I and LinkedIn is also a great place. You can, if anyone wants to speak, you can request me. I will bring you onto the stage. Should we start taking questions? Another thing, the registration for PMX, registration link for PMX, I have written in the chat. You can go there and register yourself and look for other details. If you have any queries regarding PMX, you can DM Varanium or Palak. Their numbers will be shared with you, I guess. So we'll start answering the
They
Q&A.
are shared. They're in the website also.
Yeah, they're in the website also. Yeah. So, anybody has any queries?
Some of the answers have been given, and rest you can question, like, if
We
you
have
have
few
any.
questions.
Yeah, Nabil asks, why can't we implement one of the two programs in Bewakuf depending on the user?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, why can't we implement one of the two programs in Bewakuf depending on the user?
I mean, I'm not sure if I understand, but what I think is कि you are asking why not the other one, and like you might disagree कि मतलब you might prefer the first option. So basically like वो जो अपन ने फ्रेमवर्क यूज करा था जैसा टेबल बनाया था इसके अदर मेथड्स भी हो सकते हैं कि सिंपली आई एम जजिंग की इम्पैक्ट कितना होगा आफ्टर एडिंग अ सर्टेन फीचर वर्सेस मुझे एफर्ट कितना लगेगा बनाने में और या फिर मतलब बेसिक मैं कर सकता हूँ मेजर व्हाट विल बी द रीच ऑफ फीचर सो फर्स्ट फीचर की ऑडियंस है कुछ 10 लाख सेकंड फीचर की ऑडियंस है मे बी 15 लाख सो दैट कुड ऑल्सो बी वन रीजन एंड सो मतलब यही है लाइक प्रायोरिटाइजेशन वुड डिफर अक्रॉस मतलब ऑल अपने जो भी करेगा सो इसमें देयर वुड बी सम बायसेस फ्रॉम माय साइड कि आई मेरे मैं ये प्रेफर करता हूँ सो आई चोज दिस सो मतलब इट्स नेचुरल कि अगर यू थिंक द अदर वे सो
Yeah, next question is by Pranav, who asks, will we get a sample product deck to its corresponding sample problem statement? I
We
think
will be giving you a template of how you have to submit with all the expectations we want from you, but not a sample solution, of course. Template will be given to
Nabil,
you.
yeah, Nabil asks Aditya Bhaiya that he meant to say make it custom.
सो कस्टम बाय कस्टम ही मीन्स कि दिस इस यूजर को के लिए ये वाला प्रोडक्ट फीचर एंड दूसरे के लिए ये वाला फीचर दैट राइट तो मतलब ऐसा यू नीड तो जो भी ऐसा ऐप या वो कुछ भी होता है तो उसका customization does exist but that is a complex procedure और in general अगर whatever फ्लिपकार्ट में जो whatever features हैं जो तुम्हारे लिए हैं वो बाकी लोगों के लिए भी होंगे so customization sure like you can customize anything बट वही है मतलब दैट वुड ड्रास्टिकली इंक्रीज की एफर्ट वगैरह कितना होगा सो मतलब वही है कि अभी वी आर चूजिंग वन आउट ऑफ द टू की दो को इम्प्लीमेंट करना इज डिफिकल्ट सो लेट अस डू वन सो योर कस्टमाइजेशन में तो ये बोल रहा है कि दोनों को करते हैं इसको ये वाला फीचर उसके लिए वो वाला फीचर सो अच्छा आइडिया है बट वही कि एज अ कंपनी मेरे पास कॉस्ट वगैरह है कि इतने लोग ही काम कर सकते हैं इतना टाइम है सो आई हैव सम टारगेट्स टू मीट सो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी नीड टू प्रायोरिटाइज सो हाँ मतलब prioritization is an important part.
Yeah, so Amish asks, will PMX be manageable with our ongoing semester because people will having quizzes, tutorials, etc. Yeah, I take this as a fun event, like game event. I would say, like yeah, it will be very fun, and you will be able to bond with your friends who are not on. You are not currently in campus, but you should experience the fresher life. This competition are mainly fresher oriented, so I think you should participate. Next, Pranav asks, will there be extra points on going beyond the requirements of the template? Also, how strictly we need to adhere to your template? Pallak, I think you should answer. You should answer this.
There is no restriction about the template, but for your help, we are providing the template to you. You can submit as you want. We have no problem.
Yeah. Present just our idea and data science, or we have to give the practical codings and working on that too. Palak or Varanian?
You are not clear, Sai.
Yeah, please repeat.
Yeah. Anshuman asks, do we have to present just our idea and data science, or we have to give the practical codings and the work on that too?
No, you don't have to write any code or anything. You just have to provide like what Bhaiya presented now, na, just now, product deck type. Also, we'll give you templates of the precursors so you'll get a better idea. I hope it answers the question.
Yeah. Next, Arnav asks, can't we give a brief description of both features to the user and take the one which more customers like?
You can do this thing, but the thing is, so it's a general question, I think. Yeah, you can do this thing, but the user always doesn't know na what is good for them. Like if like just take an example of Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook. Like if in that era, if you would have asked someone like we'll be posting your pictures online, everyone will be reacting on them and they will share your personal pictures. So who would say yes? Nobody would have said yes due to their privacy issues and all. But now we see everyone using Facebook. So not every time customer's feedback is important, but not every time. You have to think about yours also.
Yeah. So next is Ricky asks, Bhaiya, let us know an insider's info. Do we really need to worry about our academics? Is engineering the coolest graduation degree? I think this question is not appropriate here, but yeah, engineering is cool. Although it's sad, but it's cool.
Bhaiya,
Yes, you
I
need
think
to worry
Bhaiya can
about
answer this one.
academics. Yeah, Bhaiya can answer it better. He's in third year, he can answer it.
He's a third year, right, senior.
नहीं आई थिंक ऐसा कोई थर्ड ईयर या उससे तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा एक्सपर्टीज नहीं आता एंड आई वुड रिफ्रेन ऐसे ही फॉर आस्किंग कि लाइक बोथ साइड्स हैं कि इट इज चिल भी और वो मतलब टोटली डिपेंड्स अप टू यू एंड या लाइक ऐसा मैं कुछ अपना ओपिनियन ऐसा नहीं रखना चाह रहा कि मेरा इट वुड डिफर अक्रॉस ऐसा सीनियर और मतलब ऐसा भी इन जनरल वॉटेवर कोई भी ऐसा सीनियर या कुछ कह रहा हो सो उसके सीधे ऐसे मत बिलीव कर लेना सो हर किसी का डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव होगा सो लाइक ऑल यू कैन डू इज कि टॉक टू मल्टीपल पीपल एंड देन डिसाइड कि मेरे हिसाब से ये होना चाहिए जस्ट किसी से सुन लिया तो डोंट मेक योर डिसीजन बेस्ड ऑन दैट एंड या लाइक अभी तो 3 weeks भी नहीं हुए सो डोंट वरी फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन अबाउट
Next, Amon asks, in the case of Bewakoof, can we say that around 30 age, a person will be more financially stable and hence can pay money for premium, hence developing more revenue? Aditya Bhaiya.
आई थिंक ऐसा मोस्टली यस बट यही है कि दैट इज योर ऐसा तूने ये प्रपोज करा कि आई थिंक ऐसा ये होता है ऐसा अब इसके लिए ऐसा नेक्स्ट स्टेप है टू एक्चुअली वेरीफाई इट ऐसा वैलिडेट इट सो इसके लिए क्या करते हैं कि और लोगों से बात करते हैं टॉक टू यूजर्स और सर्विस कर सकते हैं टू मतलब पर्टिकुलरली कंफर्म इट सो मतलब जस्ट दैट हंच और इंट्यूशन नहीं वर्क करता
Okay. Next, Pranav asks, what are the scoring or point parameters for this event? As in, what spheres do we need to focus on?
Basically, most of the scoring depends upon your solution, its feasibility, and to what extent is it solving the problem. Also, how you came up with the solution, some of the statistics, user research, and all of that. All the other details will be provided through mail to you.
Okay. Mahesh asks, why are people afraid of AMA 101? See, this is not the right question for this event, but DM any one of us, we can tell you. Okay. Next question is, no. Yeah, you're laughing on that. Why afraid of AMA? Acha, about some announcement here. Scavenger hunt will be the registration for scavenger hunt will be released shortly. people should register for this event because it is the most awaited fresher event of the year. Almost every fresher in the college participates in the event, so you should not miss this, especially in the COVID year, because you are not getting any fun at all. And Adarsh Raj asks how we will get recording of this meet. Yeah, recording I will see and try to provide you the recording. It's being recorded. You will surely get the lecture slides that we presented before you by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Any more queries? Do you have any more queries? Perks of winning scavenger hunt. Number of people recognized for performance. Okay. Perks will be releasing shortly. It's a surprise for you, so we are not telling you. Number of people, we are thinking every year top three teams win. Top three teams are given the recognition, but it's not about winning, as they say. It's about the journey. You will get to learn your campus better, yeah, even by sitting at home. So I hope you enjoy the scavenger hunt. Where we will get the slide, we will try to share the slides in, I think, in Freshers Forum on Facebook, in a WhatsApp group. And if you still don't get it, we may try to send you through mail or something. Yeah, scavenger hunt is a team event. Your teams will be allotted randomly. But how did you decide the top three hunters in the theme reveal event? Palak, you answer.
By the time they answered.
Yeah, so the first single first basically in KBC it's type. Is scavenger hunt a team event? Yes, it's a team event. You will be in teams of 5 this year, I guess. So yeah. Random distribution in scavenger hunt is really cool. Yeah. That's why we're doing random. You will get to make new friends. It's really a fun event. Also, you people were asking queries. Oh, what if my teammate is a snap? We don't have real friends till now. See, it's not about friends. You can make acquaintance also. Acquaintance is all that we have in this world. So yeah. About Udgam, how to join Team Udgam? Actually, it's not clear till now. We will, I think, by after mid-December, we will tell you how we'll hold an orientation, then float a form. There you can, if you register on that form, then you will be selected for Team Udgam also. Snap equal to snake bhaiya, excellent. Okay. Any other queries? Thanks, Bhaiya. How do we join college clubs? Yeah, basically college. Every club will hold an orientation in December, I guess. There you can go to the orientation. If you like the club, they'll float a form and you will join the club. Basically, that's the procedure. Anything else? Question. Is there a restriction on joining the clubs? No, I guess there are no restriction in joining the clubs. Will there be some clubs held auditions for joining clubs, some do not. It depends. Like music club holds auditions. Arpita, can you answer the question in the question tab?
Yeah, I'll do it.
भैया कॉलेज डाउट्स के लिए सीनियर्स कब सेशन रखेंगे? Yeah, they will be keeping session soon. I don't know yet, but there is something called course up. They are planning something.
Nick, for college rounds, like some branches have allotted them mentors. And I know CSC has allotted mentors. You can contact your mentors for that thing.
Yeah, our branch has also allotted mentors. Many will do maybe in the coming days.
Or if your branch seniors are not allowed to do mentors, then ask them to do
Ask
so in the official group.
Bhaiya, any idea of when we will be called in capacity? We also don't know, but we would like to meet you people soon. So we are waiting for that day. Uh, BTech degree online.
Okay, guys, any
Uh,
more relatable questions, like keeping it to the
ask.
event?
You are asking us a lot of questions in the DM regarding PMX. Now you're asking nothing. I think everything is cleared. Or you're scared of the meme. You're scared of Samuel L. Jackson. Can we join clubs in first year only? Yeah, you should join. Like no, clubs. You generally join in second year. In the first year, you get to explore the clubs.
There will be many open events from various clubs, and rest for joining, like it's mostly in the second year starting or something like that. And but there are various teams which take in juniors, like for Udgam will be floating forms maybe, and you can like keep looking for such stuff.
Uh, how we will get to know if our idea will be feasible for the company or not? Anybody would like to answer? Aditya Bhaiya or Arpita?
Well,
Palak
just
or
say कि
Bharani?
like to find out that you should come and join ECEL, and we discuss ideas and everything, and so that basically ECEL में that is what one aspect कि अपन क्या करते हैं, so startups वगैरह के लिए how वर्कशॉप वगैरह होल्ड करते हैं, अपन आपस में कम्युनिटी में डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या से कि ये इवेंट हुआ, डू यू थिंक कि राइट मूव है कंपनी का, और कुछ भी, सो दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड जॉइन.
Yes, the slides are over. If you don't have any questions, you can leave the session. But if you want to listen, you want to ask questions, you can stay.
And please, relevant questions like that.
Yeah, really. Don't ask us like what you do in academics. Any idea when the first mock question will be posted? Pallak, I think.
By the end of next week, most probably. Like 18 से तो खत्म है ना. Before 18 we can do it. We'll do it before 18.
Can you explain scavenger hunt from the beginning? Yeah. Scavenger hunt is basically, have you ever played treasure hunt or something? If not, okay, it's okay. Scavenger hunt is something like it's a treasure hunt where you will generally it used to take place offline last year, but this time because of the COVID, we are making it happen online. In offline version, you used to provide riddles and tasks to each places in the campus where you used to travel, and you used to crack the riddle, then do the certain task. After that, any ESL member used to be there at the certain place. They used to give you the next riddle for which for and the next riddle, if you crack it, then you get to know where the next place your next task will be. So basically, you like you get clearing certain levels, and finally you reach a certain place where a scavenger hunt will end. Also, theme is Sherlock Holmes. Do we need to watch? No. You don't need to watch Sherlock Holmes. It will be riddle will be easy without the Sherlock Holmes. Like basically, Sherlock Holmes will be the storyline, so that you will feel more interesting. Those who have watched it, but without watching, also you can play the scavenger hunt. If you have not watched Sherlock, is an interesting series. You should watch it. Please clear my doubt in question section. Can you ask what's your doubt again in the chat section? Ritesh. Wait. Yeah. Once Purvat Raj asks, is PR a part of product management too? Then yeah, PR also
Yeah,
they
I
also
answered
handle
it.
the answered it right. Acha,
Yeah.
Ritesh asks, will we be provided with the statistics of given case study, like the age group density of people using the product? Anybody would like to answer?
No, you only have to figure it out. You can search over internet. You may get over there. Otherwise, if only the company knows, no participant will know, obviously.
Yeah,
It's
welcome.
mostly like your job to do the market research, like Google and like find stuff on your own.
Yeah. Any more queries? Will there be marks for round 0 of PMX? No, there are no marks. It's just a preparatory stage for you where you will get a hang of the whole competition. Next. Any more queries? Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Uh, two teams. What if two teams come up with the same solution? Anybody would like to answer? Palak or Varun?
It will depend on the way you present the solution then. But this is not possible in some way. The exact solution cannot be same.
Also, there is one more unanswered question. I
Are
think
there any target
there are
users?
marks for round 0 for PMX. No, there are no marks for round 0. This is just for practice.
What if we have the scavenger hunt after we return to the campus again? After you return to this campus again, if you are part, no, I don't think it can happen. But if you return, you might be, if you are part of ESL, you might be organizing scavenger hunt for your juniors. Yeah, Mahesh asks, are there any target users or just the peeps? Anybody would like to answer? Palak or
Pardon?
yeah. Are there any target users or just the peeps? Mahesh asks.
That depends upon the company, right? About the problem. If and also on your solution, if you're targeting the some specific users or all of them.
Are you guys second year seniors? If I'm not. Yeah, we are. I mean, Aditya Bhaiya is a third year, right? He is currently secretary of ESL IIT Guwahati, and we all are second year right students. Yeah. Any more queries? Please. Biotech, yeah. No, I can get you in contact with a biotech student. Wait, Tanmay, are you there? Like, okay, I will tell you later. You DM me in contact. Tell you later. Any more queries? Is there any group which will test my idea before making it available for the submission? Palak, Varanium.
Nobody is going to verify, but you can take suggestions from ESL members, of course.
You can DM us for any queries. Like if you have any problem with the questions, problem statement, any search thing, we can help you. We can always help you.
Yeah, WhatsApp group regarding what? How? Yeah, like Anshuman asks how to proceed further in PMX. Any tips or something?
If you
How
are
to contact?
registered, if you have
Yeah, tell
registered
me.
already, we will mail you. Also, there will be a community for on which we will provide guidance and study material for you all. We will mail
Yeah.
you all the details. Please wait.
Umang asks
Our
how to
contact
contact.
details are on the website, in the
Yeah,
PMS website, registration website.
wait, I'll paste it, I think. Yeah, this is the website. You can find the contact details of Palak and Varanium. Where to other contact details will be shared soon with the slide only. Mm, well, are there any record of previous year ideas and success stories? Yeah, they will provide you with the example most probably. uh, is PMX for fresher only? No, it's not fresher only. In fact, students from management institutes, business institutes also take part in it. Third year and fourth year students also take part in it. But Palak, is there anything any due advantage, Palak over him?
No, I don't think there's any advantage.
Yeah,
Like
so
no prerequisites.
Last year for PMX, we had people from various IIMs, various final yearites from our campus, other IITs, and many such. So there's no restriction or freshers only or anything like that.
yeah, product management is a very interesting field. There are also a lot of placements in that field. So if you start gaining your interest at this stage, you may do good in the future in that. So any more queries? Uh, I think we should end it. If you have any queries, like 2 minutes, we'll give 2 minutes. If you don't have, we'll end it.
If you still have any queries, you can always DM us, DM the ECEL seniors.
I think there are at least one ESL senior in each branch, so they will. You can DM them. So let's see. There are no more queries, I guess. We should end it, I think. So okay. We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon in the next session. No, it's not a problem. How to get into ESL, Pranav asks. Yeah, to get into ESL, we'll soon hold an orientation session. I think I told you, right? It will be in at December end or something. It's not decided, but we'll tell you soon. A form will be floated. You have to fill that form. Then you can be a part of the ESL team. First of all, you have to attend the orientation also. Okay, we are ending the session. See you soon. Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you
Bye.
all.